the aspirational element of this, I think, is exciting for music, exciting for magicians, exciting for dancers, and exciting for brands. And what I've been focused on from the get-go, at least as someone who started as a creator, is how do you build alternative means for talent to be able to sustain themselves, to make a living, to have fun, and connect with other people in a way that gives them freedom.
TikTok has also becomes a leading destination for a lot of activism, right? And Black Lives Matter is part of that. So we have, so from a platform perspective, we have specific and kind of in-app program to really kind of promote, to proactively identify the voice, the stories, the inspirational movement to support that. And also from funding perspective, we set aside I think 3 million to really help those Black communities that has been impacted by COVID disproportionately, based off their career, based on their location, everything. We set aside 3 million to support that.
You have to be deliberate about what data you use, how you use it, what you use it for, what the purpose is. And what you want to do as you do that is minimize biases, minimize unintended consequences. And what you want to be really careful is you don't want them sneaking into your AI or your machine learning, whatever the bias might be, sampling bias, population bias, whatever the bias might be. You don't want the AI and the machine learning way of doing things to inherit all the biases that are already built into what we do today.
I want to get to the point that when I grow old, I can reimagine how healthcare surrounds me where I want to be, which is in my home, not in the belly of the beast. I don't want to be hospitalized. I don't want to be in a skilled nursing facility or whatever it is. I want healthcare to come to me. If we can start a revolution of reimagining the healthcare experience using that balance, we as people are going to have a better life.